Hello, this is Foco PA3 Victor Oscar Sierra from the Netherlands. Today I'm going to show you the fault I found in the Android app Pocket RXTX, which is used to control over CAT your transceiver. There are several issues that have to be solved, which have been confirmed by Dan already, but this fault is very particular, and so far I can't find a reason yet, but I'm sure Dan will. The problem is that the filter that is pointed in above in the display, you can see it here in the display. I will point it with a pencil. On that point you see the filter is set in setting 2. That means that if you push the button filter, you see very shortly what bandwidth the filter is set in. If you push it longer, you will find the final settings that apply to the settings 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, the bandwidth for setting 3 is 7 kHz, which is pretty small for FM. If you point the bandwidth button, which is this one, no, sorry, this one, you see that the setting for setting 1 will be displayed at this 15 kHz, and for setting 2, once pressing, is 10 kc. That's still too small for FM and not very useful for repeater work. The fact is that these settings can be set on the rig but not on the program. If you look at the program has a setting as well for the filters, which can be done with FLT, and then you see the 3 settings that can be used for the rig. The fact is that if I switch it on, like I do now, you see it's connecting with the transceiver now, and what appears is that the default setting from the FM filter is setting 2, which means 10 kHz, which is pretty small. Now this is what happens. I can't change the setting here. Even if I press on filter, you see that in the display it will change, but this only affects the digital modes, LSB, USB, CW, but not FM. That's very strange. So I can push it, but every time I push now from wide to mid to narrow, you don't see any difference in the display. However, if I change it here, and I will do now, I will change it here by pushing the filter button. you see it will change. 15 kc is most convenient for FM, no problem at all. And you see that it immediately will change back to 2, which is forced by the program. So once again, I push the filter button to 1, and you will see that if I push any button here on my not even, you see it's synchronizing with the transceiver. It will immediately change the setting to 2. I haven't pushed any button here on my cell phone. This is caused by the program itself. So even if I disconnect, which I've done now, you can see the numbers on the screen turn grey when it's disconnected. The setting is okay, but once again it has been changed to filter setting 2. If I change it once again to 1, you will see that there will be no change anymore. It will not change automatically back to 2 or another setting to setting 3. This is caused by the CAD program, and I asked Dan to look at it. Perhaps he can find something which is causing this problem. Thank you for watching. This is Papa Alpha 3 Victor Oscar Sierra. Bye bye.